Bhute Raja Dilopor will be performed by Nataraj Troupe.
Selam, 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 selam. Mora Bangladesher theke Mora Bangladesher theke
Bhute Raja Dilopor
তোমারে সেলাম 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 সেলাম
Wonderful. Wonderful. I would like to request everyone to be on stage because the Vidyarthi Samman is there for each one of them participating. Didn't you like the performance? It was a little bit of mood change also. So their children were really wonderful. So I would like to request Mithali ma'am to please felicitate the Vidyarthi Samman to them. Sir. Wonderful. I would like to request Dr. Rakhi Sanyal to be on stage. And after this, we will be felicitating all the school administrators, school principals with Shiksha Sagar Samman. Shiksha Sagar Samman, and those who are interested to share their story with the larger audience, come up to our stage of Ed Talk. Rakhi ma'am, please. The stage is yours, ma'am, please.
Thank you, everyone. And a special thanks goes to Gitanjali. I would not say ma'am. A special thanks, of course, goes to our Dr. TPS. I will not say sir. And I'm really honored and privileged to share today, this afternoon, morning and afternoon, with all my esteemed colleagues and honorable guests, friends, whatever you say. And also, I'm very lucky and fortunate to share the platform with my teacher, Professor Shantanu Tripathi. So in that case, I am fortunate and honored to come here today. So being a professor myself and a doctor of critical care and into medical education, I believe there are certain caveats. That is the problem which we are facing today. When the students come to us, they are already matured, and we do get quite many problems and which we are facing. The very important nowadays is they are lacking to ask why. That is the thing which our TPS, Dr. TPS told. And to learn to say, ask ourselves why needs a tremendous in-depth knowledge. And for that, one has to think, pair, and share. And this comes with improvement and promoting research into the education system. Well, research comes first, and we always think at a matured level. Absolutely, it is a myth. We can start it from the very school level, because school is the place where the growth and development of a child comes.